Hello everyone, this is SUPRIYA working as an assistant professor at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today I am going to tell you about there are some properties of a laser light. So laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. There are some properties which are following. This first one is it is obtained by stimulated emission of radiation. Next is it is unidirectional, so that it travels along in a single direction, and angular split is very small, so the divergence is also very small. It can travel in a long distance, very long distance, in a single direction. So laser beam is highly intense because laser beam is very narrow, so that its density of photon is very high. Laser is, and last one is laser is monochromatic, that is it is characterized by one wavelength only. So these are some properties of laser light. Thanks for watching us. Do like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. Thanks for watching us again.